Oh, I had so much trouble getting this tent up. There's almost a 3-foot elevation difference from this side to this side. I had to do some funky stuff to get it to work. Well, the fire's barely going and it's heating up quite nicely in here, making my pants steam. That's why everyone calls me Hot Pants. A beautiful lamb stew. A little savory, a little sweet, a little bit spicy. It's good. Well, it's toasty warm in this bag and I am tired, so I'm going to hit the sack and we're going to see what this blizzard brings because I can hear it snowing really hard right now. We'll see what we got in the morning.